started doing here is just mating, because the design folio says that we have to mate 3 layers. It has to come in 3 layers. So what I'm just picking is the easiest things, of the most obviously easy to see things to mate together as I'm going. Just check, give it a bit of a pull to see if it's going to move. And then this case here, this one here, same sort of thing. Let's mate that to that. If I grab them, just double check that they're not going to come apart. Let's mate that edge to that edge. So if you make a mistake and it doesn't work the way you intended, very quick and easy just to delete the last mate. Sometimes it's very easy to accidentally pick the wrong mate. So this one here, I want to mate that edge to that edge, so I know they'll line up properly. And now I've pretty much got my completed clamp ready for testing. The last thing I want to do is check that it's all going to align together. So there's the previous version where my teeth went in. Now what I do is I've got to put a little washer on here. So if I go insert component part 3, this is a little retaining washer that goes on the outside. Only problem with our retaining washer, it's a little bit boring at the moment. So what I'm going to do is go to that particular part, so it matches the other one, 2 millimeters. And this one here is going to be, this outside line here is going to be my guide. So what I'm going to do is just delete this outside line for now, because I'm going to make a circular array and I've just left my 25mm reference behind it so that you might have to draw. And what I'm thinking of for my retainer is something that looks like a bone rather than just a circle. So what I'm going to do is use symmetry to create half the bone and then turn it into a 4-entity array. So I'm going to just stylize the beginning of one side of a bone. Spline. Remembering, of course, because this is going to be an array, it has to join up. So there will be something that we'll have to add in here later. That little part there is going to be a problem. So what we might do, we'll do it and then trim it out afterwards. So first of all, mirror entities, entities to mirror. This one, mirror about the centre line I've drawn. Error, so trim entities, let's just trim to closest, trim those 2 bits out. Here's my rough bone, may not look like a bone to you, but it's near enough. Circular array, and then we've got the beginnings of our bone type washer. Just got to check here that where it overlaps that I sort that. Check, and now we're going to trim that out. In this case, I could have done just 2 instead of 4, but I think 4 looks better. There's my bone washer. Rebuild. Now I'll go back to my original assembly. washer ready to apply, or bone retainer ready to apply to my object. So let's just go mate that. Now I have my dinosaur bone retainer.